Hey, what's going on, everybody? I wanted to do just a quick behind the scenes video today. I've had a lot of people, hold on, let me shut this door because it is very not acoustically treated out there. So I wanted to show you a quick behind the scenes tour of my studio and editing station. Okay, and then we're going to go into the booth, which is in here. But basically, I set up my space in my house because when I bought my place, I was able to do a renovation. It took me about 7 years to get to this new space, right? So basically, this is just a room in my house that I had built for this. You can see I've got acoustical panels on the side. This is for editing. So I edit here, do my videos here, all the stuff. I had built my table so you couldn't see under, or that it was empty underneath. I already built this table. And basically, the reason why I did that was because I wanted it to be open so you could see all the plugs and everything. There's a set of 6 there, and there's a set of 6 behind there as well. So there's just lots of plugs everywhere. As you guys know, there's so much that we plug in. So anyways, this is my editing station, and I also record videos and everything here. You can see lights. I got my camera right there. So anyways, that's my editing station, but that's not where I do my voiceovers. So in here is where I actually do my voiceovers. So we kind of come on in here. You can see this is the space that I use to do my voiceovers in. And basically what I did was I had mounted a TV and I run those cables down through the floor. Well, yeah, you can't that way. Where is it? Yeah, that way, which leads into, into behind that door. Anyways, as well as the cables for my microphone. And down here, there's actually a power supply for my mic as well, because this is a Manley silver reference microphone, so it has its own power supply to it as well. And of course, I have a wireless keyboard and mouse. So that is my studio space. This room's about 4 by 10. And basically what I did was behind here, I put all sorts of, there's about 4 inches thick of Rockwell sound absorbent material here, 4 inches thick. Then there's this, I have a thick flannel material on top of that, and then here I've got panels throughout it, as well as bass traps all along the top. And here what I did is in the past I've always recorded with a computer in front of me, but I wanted to have this up so that when I talk it goes forward and is absorbed by all the panels and everything I've down here. These are like 6-inch thick corner panels, as well as some up top, and I did it to the corner, not there, so that it goes into a corner, it's absorbed, and the bounce doesn't bounce directly, from wall to wall. And that's how I do it. So I just record in here. I've got a set of Sennheiser. They don't make these anymore, actually. These are the 380 Pro. They only make like 280 now or whatever, but those were the 380 Pro. I like those headphones. And then when I built this room, I didn't originally build it. I was going to just have a 4x4 space and then have this, but I was like, I'll just make it 4x10 because then I can like have other stuff in here. So it's become more of like a dumping ground for some items and things in here. So it's not very good, but this is my recorded space that I have and that I use to record all of my voiceovers. I also put some stuff on the door, the inside of the door, you know what I mean? And then I just come out here and I can edit all of my work. Well, I hope that helps. And, I appreciate you guys watching and hope to catch up with you soon. Let me know, show some pictures of your studio. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.